So basically, generics, if we talk about, means in our programming, we have a different type of data available. Am I right?
Mm,
To deal with a different kind of data, means we have a polymorphism where we can do this overloading
mm,
and overriding are there. Am I right?
mm,
But let's say think of means there is a collection of you can say words. There's a collection of many things, but operation are means applicable for all the collections. Am I right?
mm.
Let's say sorting, filtering, and things.
Yes.
Just due to change of data, if we don't have anything with us, with the help of that, we can means make it generic, means so
Mm,
that means there is no impact of the data type because it's applicable for all the things. So why there should be something with us with the help of that we can communicate to our program. Hey,
mm,
this data is different. Apart from that, whatever you are doing, it's applicable for this thing. So now you need to work on this data. Now you need to work on this data. Based on that, it will our program will able to understand. Now this thing for this particular task, I have this kind of data. Am I right?
mm,
So for that you have a generics with you where you will means use a placeholder, and when you are going to use that function or you can say this thing, then you will give an actual data type there. What kind of data this contains? Am I right?
mm,
This is called generic. And wherever we are using this data type, even while passing the function, passing the parameter to the function, or you can say this returning a function, whatever where we are using this type, you can use this generic. Okay, while
mm,
creating a you can say variable or this array. So these things are things so that it's give us some more flexibility, and with
mm.
the help of that we can avoid a reuse code reusability.
Okay.
Okay, okay. This is a generic, and decorator means, let's say you are repeating means you have a something task which you are doing this as its name's decoration. Am I right?
Mm,
So decorator means in a Diwali on a festival season we will decorate our house.
mm,
Am I right? So what it means, we will not, we are not changing our house. We are not, you can say, doing something special with our house. But we have some external things which we can place on top of the thing so that it will look beautiful or look
mm,
improved. Look has been improved. So that's called decorative. Same thing with our real this programming as well. Am I right?
mm,
Rather than just you can say if I want to enhance the capability of existing thing. Okay.
mm,
It's maybe because if you are going to write, maybe it's in under your control. Am I right? But why you are doing this overburden there? Am I right? If
mm,
there is something should be there with the help of that, you can improve the quality, improve the performance, or improve the other thing. Then it's better. Am I right?
mm,
Rather than means if you need to introduce something new, then you need to you can say destroy it first, and then you need to rebuild again, which a time consuming.
mm,
You understand my point? So
mm.
decorator comes in a picture that time.
Okay.
Okay, so with this knowledge, please go ahead and start.
Function get data value. Value is a variable, right?
Yes, so it's a parameter, and we
Mm.
are saying if data type is this. Okay,
String is the data type.
yes, and return
And
type is also string.
okay, This is, one second. This is data type and this is return type.
Yes, so it's a
Okay.
parameter data type and it's a function return type.
Okay. And return value. If we do this, what it will return?
Whatever
Okay.
value
We
you
get
will pass
data.
as a
Yeah,
parameter.
yes, right. We have to pass the value to the function.
Yes, it will return same value.
Okay, this is without generic and this is with generic. We can pass any data type.
Yes, but it's a
Mm.
safe manner. But it's in a safe manner. You understand my point?
Hmm.
Because you need to tell them, hey, what kind of data.
Here we can pass single data also, right?
Here you need to tell the data type only.
Hmm.
Means, hey,
But what
now
this means, whenever we want to define the list or something, that time we are using this opening and closing bucket.
this is an angle bracket with the help of that.
Hmm.
Hey, this is a generic method.
Hmm.
And while you're when you will call this, then you need to tell them, hey, this parameter belong to this type and the return type also belong to this type. These
Hmm.
are right now you are placing a placeholder. It is a placeholder only right now.
Okay. Good. Once use multiple data types without losing any type. Realize one bottle for water, one bottle for milk separate. One bottle design can hold different liquids. Okay. That's data, get number data, get data.
With generic.
With generic, we can handle only with one data type, one function.
Yes, you need to write only one function and you can reuse for multiple. It will cater multiple data,
Hmm.
data types.
Okay. But okay. For simple thing, we can do it.
When you move forward, then you see the practical life. So wherever you require data type, you can use this.
Hmm. Problem without generic. Only string supported, right? If we define like this,
Now, string is we are serving string. We are serving number as well. Below, if you check that,
okay, got it. We
it's a
are
beauty.
passing data type when we want to call the function.
Yes, because definition of data is required. What kind of data? Am I right?
All right.
I want you will try with without generic and with generic. Just check this. Let's do one more practice, Ajay. Just check this carefully and without try to write your code without checking this again. Okay. If you require, we can come back and check. But you will
Mm.
try in this manner. Means whatever you checked, you are able to replicate there or not.
Mm.
Because these are the small things. That's
Yes.
why. Without generic and with generic.
Dot JS.
we are using TS, man. We are using TS, TypeScript.
Okay. But that we have to convert, no?
Yes, for running, it will not run. For that,
Hmm.
conversion required, but generic is a concept of TS.
Okay, TypeScript, right.
So in JavaScript, we don't have a type.
Hmm.
It's a dynamic type.
That value.
We are not calling your function.
Hmm. Hmm. With generate, it will be get data, T, open,
Typo mistake is there. A return statement.
console dot log. Hmm.
Okay, good.
Oh, run, right?
Terminal TSC, TSC,
Yes.
generic.
Done. Yes. And node. Yes. Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
And you are not bounded to only, you can take multiple parameter as well. With a comma separator, right now you will take only one value, but it's totally up to you.
Here,
Right. No, after this, no, comma, after T comma, after T comma,
this one.
yes, value,
Okay.
let's say value 2,
Hmm.
value 2, colon T. You
Hmm.
can take multiple value as well. Let's say right now, one is a string type, another is a, you can say, number type. You can do that as
But here I will pass then string.
no. No, 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 no. For that, you need to tell them, hey, I want to, with this function will support two data types. Am I right? Two
Hmm.
generic types. One you were mentioning the T, let's say, there only line number 13. You will, after T, line number 13, line number 13 after T, comma, after T, after T, after T. No, no, after T. Yes,
Yeah.
comma Y. You can use any name.
And
Angular brackets close. At the place of line number 14, one place you will use go with the T and one place you will go with the Y. You understand my point?
yes.
Means same way you can do differently. Let's say you can do this as well, means your parameter type is different and return type is totally different. That's also possible.
Hmm.
Okay.
And here I can
Comma.
string.
Yes. That's a string. But you are not using value 2 in your function.
But how we will return the value?
For that, you need to convert whatever is it's totally up to your requirement. Just I will, sake of understanding, I will explain this thing to you. This is also possible, right?
Hmm.
If you, let's say you want this should be return int type, then you need to convert.
How to convert? But this function don't know the value.
Yes, it's don't know the value, but whatever operation you are performing, so right now you are combining these, right?
Means
So
here I
for
can do let uh, value 3 is equal to value 1.
no, this will not allow you to do that because we are saying return type is T only. Am I right?
Hmm.
It's not a combination of both. That's
But
why.
what if I want to convert the value?
Then means right now it's a generic. How you will convert? There should be some mechanism with the help of that you can tell them, hey, this will convert into that. Am I right?
But just I want to print the value then.
Just you can at the place of return you can print both the values. Right now we are checking for return. Am I right? And
Hmm.
return should be matched.
Hmm.
That's why it's giving you error. For
Hmm.
simplicity, what you will do, return value only, return value only, no, return value only, and console.log print value 2, console.log value 2. Yes, line number 16. Line number 60, remove that, print this console.log value 2. Save. Now please.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So means whatever you can think with that data type, you can do this, play around with this.
Yes, right.
Okay, like you can use a class in a classes as well. It's applicable. Your collection itself is applicable. Your function is applicable for all the places.
Yes.
So it will give you power.
Hmm.
But as you know, power comes with the responsibility.
Yes, right. We should think.
Yes.
Function with different data type. Hmm. Okay, so we tried directly with one function.
Yes. Now this is the array.
Hmm.
Array is inbuilt
Okay,
general.
this is inbuilt. Okay.
Yes.
Like C sharp only. Generic interface. I did not get this.
Data is a T type. We will
Hmm.
tell them when
Right.
we are, you can say this, implementing or is giving a definition of this interface. That time we will tell.
Hmm.
Like you at the user,
But
you can
what is
check them.
success and boolean?
Success is final. Means if data type is already defined.
Hmm.
But data can be a object, data can be a string, boolean, number,
Hmm.
which we can change. Am I right? Think
Hmm.
of from API in a data, you can get a string, you can get a, JSON object, or you can
Right.
get a, you can say this array.
Hmm.
So which you can means based on a API response, you can handle that. Am I right?
Hmm.
If you have ever worked on this API, then means there is a format of the API. Hey,
Hmm.
this API will send us a response in this format. Am I right?
Right.
Sometime some API will send a array, some will send a object, some will just send a two property, three properties,
Hmm.
so on and so forth. But this means, but we want the key should be consistent.
Hmm.
Am I right? And our code is applicable, means you can say applicable to handle all kind of responses. But here key is the same, data is there, but data type, we have something with the help of that we can communicate. Hey, this API response will get a this kind of data.
Hmm.
So this with the help of Genic, you can do that. You
Okay.
understand my
Yes,
point?
we defined the interface like this, and we are using the interface like this.
Yes, here you are passing a string. You can pass a number as well. You can pass an
Right.
object as well.
Anything. Success. In success, we are passing the value of boolean, true or false. String and response. Here we will get success and the data angular loaded in the response, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Success is equal to true and data is equal to angular. Change of interface with object.
This is a real use case when you will use this. Right now, think of interface. You have a interface with a four property, right?
Hmm.
And in a API response, let's say you get the data of employee only.
Hmm.
Okay. But your API response is a generic interface, right?
Hmm.
Which can handle a different kind of response as well.
Yes.
So with the help of that means if you go forward, move forward, and then you check, you can use this API response interface with your employee data and the string data and another data type. There is no issues at all.
Hmm. Anything we can get in the response.
Yes.
Hmm. Hmm. We passed employee here. This is a class. Okay. For class, what is this T? This one.
Same thing. Same thing. Like property to class have a properties and behavior. Am I right?
Hmm.
So for property we require a data type.
Hmm.
So we are saying, hey, this class property related to this data type. So right now data is a array. Am I right?
Hmm.
To define in a TypeScript to tell define or declare array, use array, you need to tell the type. What
Hmm.
kind of data is going to store.
Hmm. Right.
So for with the help of T, we are communicating that thing to our TypeScript. Hey, this class data store can store the data of string, data of number, data of boolean.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
And add item is a method.
Yes, add item is a method. With the help of that, you are you can say this. Here you are also mentioning the T. Am I right?
Hmm. To store the push. Data store is a class and string store dot add item.
If you want to try, you
Ah,
can try at
got
your
it, got it, got it. Multiple values we can pass and we can print. Hmm. Hmm. Just we are creating an instance and then we are calling a method by passing the value and then we are calling the method of get item. That's it for print.
that. But I will say you need to, you understand that's fine, but you need to try and do your handwork. Am I right?
Hmm.
If you will not try, then means if some error is occur, then you are not able to rectify. Then you need to depend upon a chat GPT itself for AI. Am I right?
Yes. 1 second, I'm getting a call. One
Okay.
second. Hello.
Yes, Ajay.
Yeah. Okay.
C is small. In a class, keywords.
Hmm. Then I get something in this. Huh. Function push the value here const t. This dot data dot push, right?
Yeah, data is you can see your this. Why your I think the function is not required with the class.
Okay.
And you really want to return something from this? Because you are adding.
I'm adding
Yes. And what is your variable name? There is no variable name.
val.
No data. Where is the data? Where you define your data? No. At the place of private, you data and you can say this let data. Yes, you let data. Remove this private. Remove this private. Hold on.
Private data.
Push.
Push. Something is- 1 second. In this, it is not like the first function. It is different. P also need equal. Hmm. It's not like the previous function.
Yes, that's
Hmm.
why I
It
told
is
you.
different.
Here with the value is fine. Okay, yes.
And then get data. Hmm. This total data directly we can print. This
Return, use return statement.
hmm, first I have to define store value str is equal to new. Here I have to write let.
Let no. So
Hmm,
this is fine. Store is fine.
store value and string and here I
There itself in a store value, angular bracket, what kind of data is going to store. In the starting itself, starting as well. So you can think of
right.
no, no, no. Cut this line. Yes, cut this. No, no, no. Let string, let string, str colon. No, 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 colon. No, str colon after str colon store value string. Both are fine. One is explicitly defining a type, and another is a in inference type. You understand my point?
Hmm. Okay. Let's store. Hmm. Hmm.
Now
If
you
we
can
not write
call.
this also, it is fine.
Yes, because compiler understand from your
Hmm.
initialization. Now add something str dot add push value, push your name. Copy this, paste two more time and push other person name. Now print this console.log. Get data. str dot get data. Save and run.
From where I can see the terminal?
You can use control and you can see tilt symbol. This is a shortcut. With the help of that you can see. And if you check on a files, you have this terminal option. View. No. In this there is a terminal. View option. Click on a view and terminal. Go down terminal. Yes.
Hmm.
I will suggest you go with the shortcut.
Shortcut. Yeah.
Control and tilt symbol.
Tilt symbol. Yeah.
With the help of that, you can hide and show.
Hmm.
If it's hide, if you click on this, you go with the shortcut, then you are able to see. Right.
Hmm. Okay. It returns. Hmm. This is good.
It's a
Hmm.
powerful tool.
Yes.
It's applicable for your other language as well.
It can be used like where you are not storing the data and just for the demo purpose.
No,
Uh,
it's a real use. There are real use cases which I already explained to you. API
hmm,
handling. Am I right?
yes. 1 second. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Well, um, um, but here they shown the output like this. We got the output in array.
Yes, as I told you, the whatever you are saying, it's a not match. If you print array, then it will go with the curly braces.
Hmm.
If you want this output, then you need to iterate.
Hmm.
So you have a real thing with you. Am I right?
Hmm. Generate class with numbers. This will be same. Strings, length number.
Hey, you are saying, hey, I am interested in a generic where this length property is available.
Hmm.
Am I right? So that
Hmm.
I can narrow down the scope of my generic.
Hmm.
Let's say you are performing, you are in your program or in your use case, you are using a length property in your
Hmm.
code or in your function or class, right?
Hmm.
If means you will not define the scope or this, then user can pass anything. If user can pass anything, and if length property is not there, then your code will not work. Right?
Hmm. Restrict the code.
Yes. To handle that, we need to go with the this scope one
Hmm.
and restrict the scope with the limited things. Right? This is an example of that one. Here we are saying data type can be any, but length property should be there.
Hmm.
If there is no length property, I will not entertain. Right. I will check that and give you a.
Hmm. Extremes. Number. Number is a hmm.
Number means length property there and its data type is number.
Hmm. Proper length. Okay, it will return a length. Hmm. Got it.
Means it's
To get
checking.
the
Let's say
number of times.
string have a length property.
Hmm.
This if
Yes.
you are passing the string, it's fine. If you pass a number, it will not allow to do that.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Angular API response. This we seen, right?
Yes, yes. Already seen.
Hmm. 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 This is the same, just we are not passing T here.
Yes.
Extra HTTP.
Because Angular is a framework, and right, and
Hmm.
just heavily depend upon this generics. Are there any question or concern regarding this generics?
No,
And
no, don't try this.
do you want to go, means we are good with this generic only, or you want to cover decorator as well?
Mm, I will do the practice in next lecture. We will cover decorator.
After decorator, we need to go to the Angular one.
Hmm, yes.
Okay, no worries. So anything else we need to discuss today?
No, I will try this one. This and the early lectures. Today